Hey, what's going on, man?
My dude, how's it going, man?
Not bad.
Awesome, awesome. Is now still a good time for you?
Yeah, yeah, we're good.
Nice. Yeah, man. So I really just thought it'd be better if we hop on a call so I can just kind of go over all the details of the deal with you, and just see what we can do on this one. Did you have any questions like before we just kind of jump into everything?
No, no.
Okay, super cool. So let me pull up all the details of this one here. Okay, so we would be buying the house for $295,000. So that's one. So we're buying it for 295, and I have my dad going out there tomorrow to get me an exact number on how much it's going to cost to renovate. I'm projecting it's going to be anywhere between 15 and 20,000. We're not doing a full renovation to this one. We're for the most part we're just doing what's called a wholesale. So we're going to put new floors, paint, countertops, stuff like that. The way that I came up with what we're doing to it is I just looked at the comps. So the most renovated one that any of them were was just flooring, paints, and super simple stuff like that. So not a full renovation needs to be done there. So again, buying for 295, we'll put 15 to 20,000 into the rehab, and then the projected profit after paying like realtor fees, closing costs, all that stuff is going to be anywhere between 25 to $31,000. And again, I'll know an exact number for that after my dad goes out there and kind of figures out how much the construction is going to cost. But the projected profit of what we'd be splitting would be somewhere between like 25 to 31,000. We're gonna buy it and give them a month of a complimentary lease back, and then the renovation shouldn't take more than 2 weeks or so. We'll throw it on the market. We'll find a buyer. We'll close it out. We'll get paid, and that's about it.
Okay. Yeah, no, that sounds good. The lease back, I was about to ask him. I man, hold on, the lease back value with it.
Yeah, so the lease back will be 30 days complimentary, and I believe we have $15,000 from the seller's proceeds that we get to hold on to. They're going to be held onto in escrow. So basically, like if they don't leave on time or anything like that, those funds get released to us. Which I mean, I'm sure they will leave on time if they have 15 grand on the line, but in the event they don't leave on time, we basically get the house $15,000 cheaper. So either way, we're good. And it's a small property. I think it's only 1,200 square feet. Yeah, it's only 1,200 square feet. So especially since we're not doing a full renovation to it, it shouldn't take more than 2, maybe 3 weeks maximum just to kind of fix up a couple of those items. We'll list it, we'll price it right, and then we'll just sell the property, and that'll pretty much be it there.
Cool. Is it a house or like a townhouse or a condo?
It's a single family.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and I can shoot over the address and all that stuff to you.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Just I should kind of just see it before and after and all that.
No, of course, of course. Yeah. So, did you have any questions or anything like that you needed from me in order to just feel comfortable moving forward with everything?
I guess, what is the split that we're gonna do on it?
Yeah. So we'll split the profit 50-50.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, as fair as it gets, really.
Yeah, no, yeah, I'm definitely, that sounds good. And, what do you plan on closing on the property?
So we just put the property under contract on Friday. The realtor that brought the property to us is saying that they've already been working with title, and title's pretty much ready to close. They wanted to know if we could close as early as Wednesday of this week or as late as Friday of this week. Would that work on your end?
Yeah, just be able to, I can close that timeline. While, I can make it to the bank tomorrow.
Okay. Yeah. I will let you know. I will let you know exactly when we're closing. But yeah, if you could make it to the bank tomorrow or Wednesday, that'd be great.
Yeah, so yeah, just get all those details. But yeah, everything will be in my mind though, so it'll be instead of
Yeah, no, that's perfectly fine. Just yeah, that's perfectly fine. No worries there.
But yeah, no, that actually real quick. But I'm good with that. Otherwise, like just say,
Okay, cool. So I will let you know, and then we can just wire everything over tomorrow or whenever works for you, and we'll get paid here in a couple months.
you know that, like some of that.
Yeah. Was there anything else you needed from me?
Uh, no, actually, yeah. Until you get the address to take a look at it. But no, I kind of, since I gone through that process personally instead of just doing it with a partner, and you barely answered all the questions. So
Perfect. Okay. Super cool, man. Well, I look forward to buying this one with you and just making some money together.
yeah, same Ray. I appreciate you reaching out and getting this call.
No, for sure. I'll text you the address and the pictures right now as well.
Oh, cool. That sounds good.
Cool. If you need anything else, just let me know. But I look forward to getting this close here with you here in the next couple days.
Beautiful. Yeah. No, okay, man.
Awesome, man. Sounds good. Well, if you need anything, just give me a holler.
Sounds good, man. I'll talk to you soon.
Cool. Sounds good, bro. Alrighty, you take care. See you, man. Peace. Bye. And that is how you raise a little over 300 grand in 6 minutes. Boom. There you go. Like and subscribe.